So I would like to know how many people are just like me. You are currently working a 9 to 5, or if you're in healthcare, you're probably working some crazy hours, 4 10s, 3 12s, on call, whatever it is. But if you're tired of working the way you're working, if you're tired of having a boss, if you're tired of not having the vacation time you need to go on vacation, maybe you should think about affiliate marketing. This is an opportunity that could change your life. You don't know what it is? Stick around. Like and follow this. I will teach you how.